Hi.
Welcome to Oaxaca, where every street is a piece of art and the hostels are run by artists. Like for example in the hostel where I'm staying right now, Cielo Rojo. The credits of this beautiful work of art behind me go to Joaquin. He is one of the talented staff members who works around here. So I went to Oaxaca to settle down a bit and to meet other travelers. And yesterday was a wonderful day where I hung around a little bit with other people I met here at Hierba el Agua, which was quite a unique waterfall with a beautiful infinity pool on top. Welcome in Hierba del Agua, near the Oaxaca. And this is a place with probably the damn best infinity pools you've ever seen. Alright, go for it, mate.
No, you've been like the show.
Alright.
Literally charges good.
He's still alive. That's a good sign.
Nice. Shut the sting after a while.
What's under the water, mate?
You literally can't see anything.
Let's try if my camera picks it up.
It was good the first couple of times, now it's really getting to me.
Hierba del Agua. Let's see where the infinity begins. That's a nice view for a pool. What's up?
Is it filming? Oh,
It is
I can
filming.
see myself. What group crew is it? 8, 9?
10.
10?
Oh, nice.
Wow. Hi.
Hello back at you. What kind of camera do you use?
Sony A7S. I would like to buy the third one, but
Is this like the ultimate vlogger camera?
no, it's not vlogger.
With no?
It's professional. No. As a vlogger camera, I used to use Sony A5100,
So you did some vlogging.
but I got stolen in
Really?
Argentina.
Fuck, that's too bad.
Everything. I lost everything.
Everything? Damn it. Hope you had a good insurance.
No.
No?
I met very nice people after that.
Yeah? Who lent you their camera or?
No, I did not get back any. I never bought a camera again, like for vlogging. I just thought.
Too bad. Now, I didn't really find a proper way of ending the video in Hierro el Agua because it was so fun around there. But I hope I made your day a little bit better by taking you with me on this adventure. Please drop a like if I did. And subscribe if you want to see more of my adventures in Latin America. Alright, this was it for today. From the home of the artist, Oaxaca. Have a nice day. Ciao.
I'm blessed with you.
Thank you, mate. And thank you for your beautiful works of art around here.
Yeah, thank you, Rob.